Good morning. Happy October, everyone. In my world, it is Pumpkintober. That means every day I am trying a new pumpkin themed item, whether it be a recipe or a food item. Today I am trying Fitz's pumpkin pop. I've never had this before. I was at the grocery store the other day and I saw it and I'm like, that sounds good. Let's give this a try. Fitz's is a local St. Louis bottling company. They are pretty famous for their root beer. They have a couple restaurant locations that are really good. So if you're in the St. Louis area, I definitely recommend Googling Fitz's and eat there at lunch or dinner. And yeah, so 2 of them I have put in the fridge to get nice and cold, and I'm gonna go call my husband and have him take a quick break. He's busy working, but it's time for a soda break. See, the bottle even says Fitz's bottling company is St. Louis. Okay, so these tops did screw off pretty easy. If you don't have a bottle opener, you don't need one. And let's see. I don't know what to say.
Tastes like cream soda.
It tastes like cream soda. Exactly, Robert. I don't taste pumpkin.
A little spice.
Oh, it says taste of fall seasonal release. I don't know. Does it taste like fall to you?
Not really.
All right. I'm sorry.
What do you taste?
I don't taste pumpkin.
I don't taste any pumpkin.
I don't taste pumpkin. It's a little bitter. So that's probably like the allspice, right?
Burnt leaves. Yeah.
Burnt leaves. Tastes like burnt leaves. It's not bad. Don't get me wrong, but I was expecting.
No, it's. I'm done with pumpkin this and pumpkin that.
No.
I'm
No,
done.
this is only like day 7.
I don't care.
You've got a lot more days
I've had it.
of Pumpkintober.
No more.
Pumpkintober's not working out like it's supposed to be.
No, this is ridiculous.
Pumpkin pop is no.
You gotta like cream soda.
It tastes like cream. I'm still drinking
It's
it.
just sweet.
I can't decide what it tastes like. It does not taste like pumpkin. No. No. It's a cute bottle. The price was reasonable. I think it was like $3.99. They were probably giving them away. This was a failed batch on Fitz's part. It's not a negative review on Fitz though, because there's plenty of other pops that are awesome there.
The root beer is phenomenal. Phenomenal.
Their root beer is phenomenal. It's just whoever said this tasted like pumpkin needs to be let go. It does not taste like pumpkin.
I don't walk away from sodas very often, but this is one I'm walking away from.
You're not gonna, oh my God. He didn't even look at that. He's not a wasteful man and he's walking away.
I am going upstairs.
You're going upstairs. He's done with my Pumpkintober.
Yeah, no more.
No more. Oh, well, I'm trying to not show the background because my kitchen's I'm in the middle of baking and cooking and doing all kinds of stuff, but whatever. It is what it is. You get to see all my cat treats, my water bath canner, all my appliances. But no. I don't know. That's not pumpkin. I don't know what to say. This is not a good Pumpkintober day. No good pumpkin treats for today. So I hope everyone is having a wonderful October, and I'll see you tomorrow with hopefully something that tastes more like pumpkin.